Earthquakes can strike at any moment. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, an estimate of 100 to 150 strong earthquakes are felt each year. Additionally, there is an average of 20 recorded earthquakes every day. That is why it is important to be prepared, because being prepared can save not just your life, but also the lives of others. Today, we will guide you on what to do before, during, and after an earthquake, especially here in our school gymnasium.
Before an earthquake, it's crucial to be aware of potential hazards. Here in the gym, look around. Those ceiling fans could be dangerous if they fall, so stay free of them.
Also, know your evacuation route. In case of an earthquake, this open field beside the gym is a safe assembly area.
When the shaking begins, remember, duck, cover, and hold. Protect your head and stay away from objects that may fall.
If there are no tables, crouch down and cover your head with your arms until the shaking stops.
Once the shaking stops, stay calm and check for injuries. If you are safe, help others and prepare to evacuate. Follow your evacuation route and move to the designated safe zone.
Awan, pwede na ba masaya ng mga estudyante?
Stay alert and listen to official instructions. Your safety is the top priority.